Level 21, y is equal to the cos of x minus h. So it's all about the horizontal translation. We make our graph normally, and then we're going to translate it by 2 pi. Remember this x minus h. The h is really negative 2 pi, so I'm going to bring everything back 2 pi this way. And notice what happens. Because the period of the cosine wave is 2 pi, by moving it 2 pi, I don't change it at all. We still have the same graph, so I could have left it exactly where it was. It would have been fine. X minus h, so it's x minus negative 19 pi over 4, which is positive 19 pi over 4 is our translation. So we're translating the whole thing over to 19 pi over 4. 5 pi is 20 pi over 4. Graph it here and then translate it all the way over to, here's 20 pi over 4, so 19 pi over 4 must be here. We could have just translated it over to 3 pi over 4 and it would have been the same graph. The h is negative 7 pi over 4. This is negative 8 pi over 4, so this is negative 7 pi over 4. X minus 3 pi. This time we're translating it to 3 pi. I could just translate it to pi, and that will be fine. If I bring it to 3 pi, notice I have exactly the same graph, so I just translated it to pi. I'm just going to go back to here. Exactly the same graph, and then press return. Cos of x plus 7 pi over 4. H is negative 7 pi over 4. Bringing it back to negative 7 pi over 4 like that. Notice I could have just done this. Translated it to pi over 4. Same thing. Here's our 7 pi over 4, which is right here. Notice it's exactly the same as just dragging it to here. H is negative 9 pi over 4. This is negative 8 pi over 4. Negative 9 pi over 4 is right there. Negative 15 pi over 4. Translate. Negative 4 pi is negative 16 pi over 4. This is negative 15 pi over 4. Notice we could have just translated it by positive pi over 4. It would have given us exactly the same graph. So I'm going to do that and see what happens. Our h is plus 6 pi, and the period is 2 pi, right? So this is a multiple of 2 pi. I'm just going to leave my graph alone, not translate it at all. It's still going to be right. 19 pi over 4. My h is minus 19 pi over 4. Drag that back over here. Click here. This is 20 pi over 4, so 19 pi over 4 is here. I'm just going to grab this. This is just like the point here. This would be the point that I'm going to drag back to 19 pi over 4 like that. Doing that is still the same answer. The h is positive 5 pi over 4. This is 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4 like that. All right, and that is it for level 21. Have a good day.